everyone, and welcome to the Clear Cut Classroom, where we take deep dives into all things diamonds and jewelry. Today we're going to talk about our favorite personalized pieces. These are our favorite gifts that you can give to yourself or to others that have a little bit of extra sentimental meaning. My first favorite piece to personalize is our Love Me Locket. It is so cute and dainty, and you can put a tiny little photo in the inside of the locket. Go to oddprints.com to get the 5x7 photo to add to your Love Me Locket. You can also add a date or initials engraved to the back of your Love Me Locket. Another favorite personalized gift is our Zodiac Collection. This is the perfect gift to give for someone's birthday or your own to signify your star and personality. Our signature Signet ring is awesome because you can engrave initials or a date, a really sentimental, personalized inscription into the ring just to make it extra special for yourself or a loved one. Our initial pendants are great personalized pieces. Our mini initial pendant and our petite pave diamond pendant are great gifts to give. You can have your first name, your loved one, or a last name. They're great for gifting, great for yourself, and it's a nice little personalized, sentimental piece that you can wear on your neck every single day. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Comment below, let me know what you want to see next week, and class is dismissed.